Hi, first graders. Welcome to your bonus sound spelling card lesson for lesson 27. This week, our bonus sound spelling card is right here. It is the table card. Now, the table card is going to help us with this sound ul that you'll hear at the end of some words. So before we get to practicing spelling some words, we are going to say some words and clap out the syllables. So we're going to start off with the word from our sound spelling card, table, table, table. Table has 2 syllables. Let's try another word. How about the word scribble? Scribble. Scribble has 2 syllables. Now I want you to practice with me. We're going to say some words together and then clap out the syllables and see how many syllables those words have. The first word that we're going to try is the word bumble. So say it with me. Bumble. And let's clap out the syllables. Bumble. How many syllables did you hear? Oh, there goes my card. 2. Bumble has 2 syllables. Let's try another word. The word is scramble. Say scramble. And let's clap out the syllables. Scramble. How many syllables did you hear? 2. Scramble has 2 syllables. We're going to try one more and then we'll start spelling some words. The next word I'd like for you to try is the word nibble. Say nibble. And now let's clap out the syllables. Nibble. Nibble. Nibble has 2 syllables. So now we lost our card, but we're going to practice spelling some words. So if you have your whiteboard ready, perfect. If you don't, go ahead and pause the video and grab your whiteboard and your marker so you can practice writing some words with me. Stick this back up here. So our syllable ul, their sound ul at the end of some words is going to be spelled L-E. So we're going to practice spelling some words that have that sound at the end. The first word we're going to try is the word for the card, table. So we say table, 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 table. That's how you spell the word table. And there's that L-E at the end of the word. The next word we're going to try would be the thing that you would have to hold on to maybe open a door, and that is a handle. Handle. So handle has 2 syllables, hand-ol. So let's spell it by using the syllables, hand and ol. There it is. Handle. That's how you spell the word handle. Let's try another word. This would be the thing that you see on the ground after it rains. And that thing is a puddle. Puddle. So puddle is going to be a challenge. Let's say the syllables in puddle. 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 Puddle has that double consonant in the center. Puddle. Let's try another one. How about the word crumple, when you crumple up your piece of paper? Crumple. 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 So you'll notice that that L-E spelling is at the ends of those words in the second syllable for each of those. And that's where you're going to see this spelling. You'll notice that that line shows that it comes at the end of a word. So there you're going to see it. Good luck. If you want some more practice on this sound spelling card, you can go to your practice book, page 159. We'll give you some practice with those words. You will not see these words on your spelling post test on Friday, but this is a bonus sound spelling card that you will need to be able to read and write before 2nd grade. So good luck. See ya.